Today we're going to answer the questions for the honeybee and what do you know about honeybees. So let's start here with question one. After reading both articles, write a paragraph about the importance of the queen bee in the hive. Include information from both articles as well as at least one fact from each article. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is I need to restate my question and answer it. Okay, we know how to do this. We've done this before. So, um, the queen bee is important to the hive because she makes baby bees. Okay, so now I need to go back and I need to find the information. It says one fact from each article. So, and look here, it tells me to put them in yellow. Color the information or facts from the article that you need, that you use in your writing. Okay, so I'm coming back to my article here. And I'm looking for the part about the queen bee. This last paragraph has parts about the queen bee. So I'm going to get my highlighter ready. Okay. Right here. The queen bee's job is to lay eggs. So I'm going to highlight that in yellow. Okay. And I'm going to come back over here. In the honeybee, it states, okay, and now this is where I'm putting that quote. The queen bee's job is to lay eggs. Okay, now I also need, it says both articles. So, in what do you know about honeybees? It says, now I'm going to go find my quote in that article. Okay, so I'm trying to find something. Look, the queen bee is the boss of the hive. That tells me about the queen bee, but it doesn't tell me about why she's important. I said she was important because she made baby bees. So right here where it says she lays the eggs, okay, that's what I'm highlighting in yellow, and that's what I'm using in my paragraph. She lays the eggs. Okay. Now we only have 3 sentences. We need 4 for it to be a paragraph. So we're going to add one more sentence to explain and kind of sum up what we found. This shows that the queen bee is important to the hive. Okay, and there we go. We got our paragraph. Not nearly as difficult as you thought it was going to be. Okay, so this one, they tell us to color things in blue. So let's read our question and see what we have. After reading both articles, write a paragraph about why bees are important for humans. Include information from both articles as well as at least one fact from each article. Okay, so first, I need to restate my question. So bees are important for humans because, so see, I just took this. Bees are important for humans and took because, okay, because they pollinate plants. Okay, so now I need to go back and I need to find something from each article that shows me that they pollinate plants. Okay. So I'm looking. And here is what I see. Honeybees are responsible for 4/5 of all insect pollination. That's the first thing I see. So I'm coming back in here. I'm going to say, in the honeybee, it states. Okay, now this is where I'm putting this quote. Honeybees are responsible for 4/5 of all insect populations. Okay, now I need to go to my second article and find something that tells me about that. So I'm going to actually use this part right here where it says it gets to work quickly in the hive. Okay, so in what do you know about honeybees? It says, I'm coming over here, it gets to work quickly in the hive. Now I need something to sum it up. So, these are important because they pollinate plants that give humans fruit and vegetables. Okay, and so now I'm done with that. That's all I had to do. Okay, so now this one says we have to make our own questions about the honeybee passage. So I'm going to go back to my honeybee passage. Okay, and I'm going to find an answer. So this first one says they want green. Okay, um, so I'm going to choose. You can choose anything. This is what I'm going to choose. Honeybees fly up to 4 miles from the hive. I'm going to color that green, and then I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to make a question. I'm going to say, how far do honeybees fly from the hive? Okay, and I have already highlighted my answer. Now, my next one is orange. I don't have an orange highlighter, so I'm just going to do best I can. I think I'm going to put it in yellow. Um, so now I need to find something else. And I'm going to do this one. The honeybee dances in a figure-8 pattern. Oh, I said I was going to do that in yellow, didn't I? Okay, so now let's try to get this highlighted here. And yellow. The honeybee dances in a figure-8 pattern. So I'm going to just say, what pattern does the honeybee fly in? Or sorry, dance. Not fly, dance. Okay, one more, and it says choose pink. So I do have a pink highlighter. So. And I'm going to choose this sentence. Bumblebees are known for being gentle. So I'm going to come over here and say, What type of bee is known for being gentle? Okay. So now if I go back and find in my text, I can go back and I can find it because it's already colored in pink. So we're almost done. Two more questions. Explain in your own words how bees communicate with each other. Okay, so bees communicate with each other by dancing. Okay, that was something that we highlighted for our question earlier. Now, read paragraph D. This paragraph has a cause and effect relationship. Describe the cause and effect. So I'm coming back over here and I'm looking at paragraph D right here. Bees are important to life on Earth. They help with plant pollination. Pollination happens when bees and other insects fly from flower to flower. As bees move to flowers, pollen from one plant is transferred to another plant. The mixing of the pollen lets plants make new fruits and vegetables. Without pollination, a plant cannot make any fruits or vegetables. Many insects pollinate. However, honeybees are responsible for 4/5 of all insect pollination. So my cause is going to be if there is no pollinating, okay, if there's no pollinating, what kind of effect does that have? Okay, and so it tells me plants cannot produce fruits or vegetables. Okay, and now you're done. Great job, everyone.